On this episode of Vlog Jam, Roko's the hotel's alarm clock, Reagan does her best hula impression, I jump off a black rock, we have dinner with the Dunbars, and we see feral chickens. Come jam with us. Roko, what are you doing?
You're being a rooster?
Are you a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Reagan! What are you doing? Cock-a-doodle-doo? What are you doing, girl? Okay. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Alright. So we're gonna go to breakfast.
Not yet.
Yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast. We're gonna eat some food.
I'm on my babies to breakfast.
Holy cow, girl.
Reagan, Roko, what are you wearing to breakfast? What's your shirt called? What do you call your shirt?
What? Woody?
No. I know, but what kind of shirt is it? Is it a
Pajama!
Okay, so we're gonna eat breakfast. I have one more conference presentation, and then we're gonna play. I think I'm gonna jump off that rock with the GoPro.
Oh, my Lanta.
But Daddy, we still snorkeling that?
I don't want him to do that, for the record.
Why not?
Yes.
Because it's really far.
Yes.
But there are people jumping off it all day. Have you heard about anybody getting hurt?
People. Actually, yeah, Irene said that.
Who?
She said that people say not to because you can get injured.
I'm doing it.
That was in your eyeball. That's so close.
He's
In your
doing
eyeball.
it, Mommy.
I'm doing it.
You're not doing it, Daddy.
All right, let's go to breakfast.
Sister, hold on. Roko wants to tell me something.
Sister, so you guys, sister and Mommy, stop. When I and Mommy went to Hawaii, we were on time though, but I was a baby, and we saw one of these, a hunt cat whale.
That's really cool, Roko.
And I'm not kidding.
You're not kidding. We just had breakfast and we're going back in the room to put on our bathing suits.
Yeah, and we're going to
So beautiful. Roko, what are we gonna do?
snorkel.
Snorkel in the pool. Reagan, did that pineapple make you? Oh, you didn't have pineapple. You didn't have pineapple. It's okay. I'll help you. Let me come help you put your shoe on. He does this every time. Go ahead.
ABC, easiest 1, 2, C.
Go ahead.
ABC, the easiest 1, 2, 3. You told me that and I didn't know it.
So now you know it.
All right, I should have recorded the whole time. I'm halfway up the hike up there to Black Rock, so that I could do something like that. Less belly floppy is probably ideal. Here we go. Let's see here. Get you guys so you can see. I don't know what this pipe is for. It's like they're running water up here. Oh no, it's electricity. Or gas? Oh, it might be gas. I don't know if they actually light these torches or if they're on some sort of an ignition. I don't think somebody hikes up here to do it, so they must have an ignition. Okay. I don't know exactly the easiest way to get to where I'm trying to go. Yeah, straight off me, okay? got this.
I can't get it.
You got this. Stop the sun on the water. Woo! Nice. A little line here.
Về jumping backward.
Oh, I see him. I see him. You guys ready?
Yeah. Go.
1, 2, 3. Ow! Arm slap. Put your arms in. All right, guys. Ready? Put your arms in.
That was awesome. Oh yeah, nice. I was going too fast. I didn't have time to. Go, Logan!
Jump out. Put your arms in.
Jump out far.
All right. All right. What do you think, Matthew? Was it cool?
That was awesome.
Yeah. What about Logan? I slapped my arm pretty hard. Yeah. All right. Way to go, guys. Now we gotta swim. Let's see if there's any fish. Can't see anything. Need my goggles.
So far?
Try to go out and then go back.
I can turn on water, Matthew. Oh, snap.
Wow.
You didn't even tuck in for how long it is.
All right. So we're going to dinner. We're going to a place called Leota's. The Dunbars have been there before, but we haven't. So I don't know what's up. I just know that pretty good day. Kids took a nap. We're here at the parking structure, and we're gonna get in our car. And it's really windy. Sorry, and we're gonna go to dinner. Dinner time. All right, guys. So here in Hawaii, there's wild chickens everywhere. There's only one right here, but we're probably gonna walk by a bunch more. Look, there's one right there. Just walking through this parking lot. Wild chicken. Hold on, bud. Hold on.
Sister. I'll get her if he wants to go vlog it.
Okay, come here, Roka.
Sister, grab you.
Yeah. Look, there's some chickens down there. Hold on. Roko's gonna hold you guys. Make sure you're pointing at the chickens, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go, the restaurant's around front over here, but we're gonna go around back real quick and get some video of all these chickens. So it's like Moana, Hey Hey. They put Hey Hey in there for a reason, because Hawaii has chickens running around all over the place. Okay, bud, let me hold the camera real quick. You're just so shaky right now. Hold on. Okay? You can hold it when we stop for a second. Okay. Look. Okay, now stand here and hold it. Show them all the chickens. Okay?
Wild chickens can probably pet you, right?
Oh, they totally could if they wanted to. I don't think they want to, but they could. There they are, guys. Okay. Here we go. Hey Hey's everywhere.
Can I?
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we came to a place called Leota's Kitchen and Pie Shop. So we're gonna eat dinner here.
Delicious.
Delicious? All right, here we go. You guys, they're crazy. It's like a tickle monster. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. So we're gonna figure out what we want to eat here, and we'll let you guys know how it is. In the middle. Look at that pot pie.
Playing kids burger on the side.
Kids sitting over there. We get adult time.
Salad.
Yeah, I did before. Hold on. Okay, so we just ate. It was delicious. Hold on. Mama wants a picture in front of Leota's. Okay. Look. What did you have, Mama? Okay, we're gonna do that after we get shave ice.
I had a blue cheese burger.
Was it good?
It was really good. And a salad.
And a salad. I had just the regular burger.
And chocolate pie.
Standard burger. It was also good. Yeah, girl. Yeah, we are. All right. All right.
She does not like blue cheese.
Who doesn't like blue cheese? Audrey on YouTube. Oh, I don't know who that is, but
People don't like
because it's moldy.
it. Was so good.
It's moldy. Mommy ate moldy cheese. Mama ate moldy cheese. All right. So, oh yeah, and chocolate pie. Apparently that was delicious. I had some. It was good.
I had some. Daddy, can I hold it?
Nope. What? Oh yeah, chocolate macadamia nut pie. So like chocolate cream pie, cone macadamia nuts.
It was very small and we shared it, but it was
was
delicious.
small, yeah.
Daddy, can I want to hold it.
Look, turn around.
Nope, no holding it right now. Aw, say bye guys.
You're fine.
Some rascals, some awesome musicians. Please dress their photos. Uncle Buddy!
Thank you for watching and subscribe
And like.
to our channel
And like.
and like.